What's up everyone, congratulations to everyone that watched my previous video on Pepe because I drew this order box right here, and look guys, my prediction was perfect. We actually bounced around 100% from the very bottom, rock bottom, but even if you DCA and if you bought average in this order box, you could have made 65% of one trade. So I'm really happy with that, and if you don't want to miss my next predictions, make sure you click subscribe button and follow me for future updates because I'm gonna cover Pepe and more coins, more projects, more stocks in the future. So you're probably asking what now? It really depends on what Bitcoin's gonna do. If we're gonna go to 52k on BTC, it's possible that we're gonna retest this level. However, Pepe is looking really strong and the purchasing strength was really high. So I'm not sure if we can retest that level again, but probably getting back into this order box, accumulation box, will be possible if Bitcoin's gonna continue crashing into 52k. If it's gonna crash below 52k, probably we're gonna test this support, this price at around 400 satoshis, or we probably gonna go down. If we break down below, we can get even to 300. So for me, purchasing levels are anything between 500 all the way down to 300, and we have a moving average right here. We have a daily 200 moving average right here, and this support, it's actually Fibonacci 236 psychological level. So we have like 3 supports over here, and it's a great place to set your limit orders. So everything depends right now on what Bitcoin is going to do, okay? But I made a trade over my average purchase was around here, around 480, and yeah, I think I took profits around 48%. Yeah, I made 48% of one trade because I usually close my trades below the moving average, but Pepe was showing a lot of strength above, so we broke it. And yeah, my next target would be this local top, and later if you're planning to take profits, it's probably good to take profits with using Fibonacci retracement level a little bit down below. So that would be 1655, something like this, 1618 Fibonacci retracement, and number 2 Fibonacci retracement of around 2000. Maybe psychological level is 2000 here, a little bit below. Those are great levels to take profits in the future. So are you asking me if Pepe is going to continue growing, if Bitcoin is going to continue going sideways or going up? Yes, absolutely. If Bitcoin is going to continue crashing, we may see some more retracement into this order box, and if Black Swan event's going to happen, then we can go all the way down to 236 Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, but it's is it possible? It's possible, but I don't think so. We'll see. All right, let's take a look what's going on BTC, Bitcoin dominance. And look guys, like we're going up exactly as I predicted. If you've been following me, you would know that when we were here, I told you guys we would crash this resistance and we're gonna continue going till 57. Actually, we grew exactly to 57% and we retraced. So if you look at this little arrow, I drew it weeks ago with the local top at 57 and little retracement here. Like, if go watch my previous videos and you will see this arrow like weeks ago, literally. And what happened actually, we went up, we touched 57 and we retraced. Like, look, exactly the same how I drew. So I'm really happy about that. If you don't want to miss my next predictions, make sure again subscribe to my channel. I'm just starting. You can help me get to 1000 subscribers because I just started. It's over 600 of you and I'm super happy. I hope to continue making good content for you. So in my opinion, this trend's gonna continue going up, and we may see one leg or maybe 2 legs up. And I told you guys this was a great moment to accumulate altcoins. I told you guys in previous videos. And if we get one more or two more, I think maximum it should be here or should be there. It's gonna be great to accumulate altcoins. All right, so we had the first occasion here, and we're gonna probably see one more and maximum two more. But as you know, crypto is really unpredictable, and anything can happen, and you have to have it in mind. Okay, I'm just telling you about probabilities, possibilities, and you have to calculate. You have to calculate and minimize the risk. Of course, nothing in this video is a financial advice. As always, this is purely educational and entertainment content, as a disclaimer. All right, we talk about that. I want to talk about something in a minute. BYBIT is offering airdrops, free crypto. There's just a couple things you have to do. There's Lightlink, there's Merrill Launch Pool, you can get a share of 4 million coins, and there's Layer AI, you can grab a share of $500,000 USDT. And there's just a couple of things you have to do, like follow BYBIT on X, follow Layer AI on X, retweet airdrop even post, and deposit 100 USDT in your BYBIT account. You have to, first of all, in order to get those 3 airdrops, you have to go to my description of this video, and you have to use that link to create a BYBIT account. And then you have to follow a couple of steps. Everything will be in the description down below, so I'll explain it to you guys later. You can just read it if you're interested. All right, let's move into altcoin season, Bitcoin season. I told you guys ever since we were here that I don't like this price action. It was lower low, lower high, and I didn't like it, and I thought, oh guys, this can may go down. Even though we had a little bull trap right here, like dead cat bounce, sorry about that. Here we dropped all the way to 25, and that was your chance to accumulate some altcoins. Now we're accumulating here. It's showing some strength, but this is the moment where it's really hard to predict, because it's showing some strength and we can see the reversal going up, but like sometimes I've seen it many times just reversing down. I think altcoins are looking surprisingly strong with BTC crashing, but I've seen it in the past many times that with BTC crashing a little bit, just a little bit, it wasn't a big crash, it was just a small correction recently, a couple of percent. And altcoins are showing strength, and I've seen it in the past, but then BTC just totally went down like crazy, and this would crash even below 25% here. So it doesn't mean that altcoins is going to continue growing. Altcoins can crash too, and it's going to be great opportunity, especially for new people who are not in the market yet and you're still waiting for your entry point, and that's going to be your chance. But as I told you, it's really difficult to predict crypto, and you just have to minimize the risk and make good swing trades. All right, I told you guys when we were at 78, 79 here weeks ago that we will sooner or later will see this fear, and look what happened. Another prediction, another perfect prediction by me, because we see fear now. I've been telling you guys, if you've been following me, you know I've been telling it in every single video that we're going to see fear, and when we see fear, it's gonna be a good moment to start purchasing. But look how much room we have here, so I think we still can move towards the left. But we went all the way from 79 to 43. And if we go all the way to the left, it's probably gonna mean that BTC is gonna be like 52 or something like that, maybe below, and it's gonna show you that, oh, we're really close to the bottom. And when we were close to the bottom in BTC, we were close in the bottom to the whole market and altcoins like Pepe. Alright guys, thank you so much. That's it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to click the like button, subscribe. You can actually help me grow my channel, grow it to 1000 subs. By subscribing. You can leave a comment if you have any questions or anything. You can ask me in the comment down below. You can share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, what would you like to see next? Drop your comments down below and I will cover a lot of projects. I'm gonna cover, I have a plan of covering all the projects, almost all the projects from top 10. So for every one of you, so if you're interested in each project, you're just gonna watch the video. All right, and thank you so much and see you tomorrow. Bye.